How to find similar category YouTube channels on YouTube for targeting through YouTube ads? That's a really good question. You can do it manually, and there are also some tools where you put in a keyword of your niche, and then it will give you a handful of channels or videos. We necessarily don't use it as much because it really restricts the traffic. Google is more about the audience. So if let's say you are selling an iPhone and I went to your website and then I went to Google, I did not buy, right? Or I went to YouTube, start watching golf or football or nothing to do with iPhone. Your ad can potentially come and show up in front of me, even though it had that video, which was a sporting video, had got nothing to do with iPhones. Unless I went to a video or a channel which is about technology or smartphones, only then your ad will come across me, which will be very rare. So if you want to use these for retargeting, I would never use categories for YouTube channels or as a placement. This is the right phrase, the placements. Open it up wherever I go on YouTube. Even I go and watch some weird video which has nothing to do with your products, show your ad. So that's how I would do it.